What's up mga kokotes, Megan Kuya Jen? Welcome sa Kuwaderknows, where learning is the name for game. At kung baka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo ang subscribe, like, and share buttons para maging updated ka sa aming videos. And for this lecture video, we will be continuing our discussion about the other Visayan deities. Kikilalanin natin uli ang another 9 characters of our Visayan deities. So, on our previous 2 videos, nakilala natin yung nasa 18 to 20 characters. Ayan. So, ayan, meron tayong panibago for this lecture video. Okay. So, on our picture, on our slide, we can see Nagmalitong Yawa Sinagmaling. Okay, so Nagmalitong Yawa Sinagmaling is a diwata goddess of lust, seduction, and demons, and the sister of Burigadang Pada Sinaklang Bulawan and the wife of Saragnayan. We all know that Burigadang Pada Sinaklang Bulawan is the goddess of greediness. Okay, so yung kapatid niya naman is the goddess of lust, seduction, and demons. Okay, so dito, pag nalaman na natin yung story ni Burigadang Pada Sinaklang Bulawan, we will know why, bakit ganun yung characteristics ng family or yung siblings niya. Yan. So, it is also said that Nagmalitong Yawa Sinagmaling is the negative depiction of God. Ayan. Because she's also the goddess of the demons. Okay. So, next, we have Pahulangkug. Okay, so, ating, saan ba yun? Sa ating Luzon divinities, Luzon mythology, we also have the god of seasons there. Ayan, so, but also, sa ating Visayan deities, we have Pahulangkug, which is the god of seasons. Ang god of seasons, ang kanyang role is, he is in charge of magiging tag-ulan ba or tag-araw. Ayan. So, we all know we have La Nina and El Nino. El Nino and La Nina. Ayan. So, siya yung bahala if kailan niya gagawing tag-araw ang season sa Visayan region and kailan naman magiging tag-ulan. In other countries, we have 4 seasons, di ba? We have the summer, autumn, spring, and winter. But here in the Philippines, we have 2, tag-ulan and tag-araw. And next, we have Paiburong. So, Paiburong is the god of the middle world. Kasi, di ba, meron tayong sa Visayan deities, there are only 3 entities or 3 realms. We have the land, the middle world, and the underworld. Ayan. So, kumbaga ngayon, sa mga Christians, we have the heaven, the purgatory, and the hell. Ayan, yun yung 3 states of afterlife nila. Pero dito sa ating mga Visayan, Paiburong was the god of the middle world. Ayan, so, afterlife, some people believes that if the person has seen, ayan, so they're believing that he is under Paiburong. And may pag-asa pa siya, is either she will go to Kaptan or Magwayen sa underworld. Ayan, kung ihahatid ba siya ni Magwayen using her ferry boat. Next, we have Pandaki. So, Pandaki is the god who rescues the deserving for a more pleasant fate. Yung fate is yung destiny. Ayan, if siya yung bahala mag-balance ng mga imbalance sa isang tao. For example, someone is hoping na maging balance yung kanyang money, her family, or even love. Ayan. So, they're asking for Pandaki. Ayan. Kasi siya yung nagre-rescue ng mga misfortunes in life ng ating mga Visayan people. Next, we have Panlinugun. So, Panlinugun is the ruler of the underworld and the god of earthquakes. Si Magwayan kasi, siya ay ang goddess of the underworld. It means na siya yung fairy woman na naghahatid ng mga souls sa underworld. And on the other hand, ang totoong babantay talaga doon or yung ruler or yung sinusunod ng mga nasa underworld is Panlinugun. Okay, so in short, siya yung parang hindi siya Hades. Okay. Hades or Satan. Okay, sa ating Hades sa Greek mythology, Pluto sa Roman mythology, and sa Luzon mythology, we have Sitan. Next, we have Ribung Linti. So, Ribung Linti was a god of lightning and thunder. Na, hindi lamang si Bathala or si Kaptan yung hindi lamang si Kaptan yung merong kapangyarihan ng lightning and thunder, but also Ribong Linti. Ayan, so Ribong Linti, makikita nyo naman sa ating picture, meron siyang power and responsibility on giving lightning and thunderbolts sa ating Visayan region. Then also we have Santonilyo. If you know that Santonilyo is the god of grace. Santonilyo, upon the arrival of the Spanish colonization, siya yung naging Santo Niño natin. Siya yung kapalit. Ayan, so God of Graces. So, people are praying for Santonilyo para magkaroon sila ng grasya sa buhay, like food, good shelter, and good faith in life. Yun yung purpose si Santonilyo, and para siya yung bata na gagabay sa kanila sa mga decisions in life and whatsoever na hilingin ng ating mga Visayan people sa kanya. Next on the list, we have Saraganka Bagyo. Okay, so dito pala kasi Tagalog, malalaman na natin na siya ay ang god of storms because of the word Bagyo. Okay, so Saraganka Bagyo, siya yung in charge sa mga paparating na mga bagyo. So in the recent time, pinapangalanan natin to, right? We have Yolanda, Pedring, Ulysses, and many more. Ayan, yun yung responsibility niya. So, kapag may bagyo na tumama sa Visayan region before the Spanish colonization and during the pre-Spanish period, sinasabi nila na it was the fault of Saraganka Bagyo, and they're believing that Saraganka Bagyo is arriving again on their lands. And kaya yon nagkakaroon ng destruction sa kanilang mga agriculture, sa kanilang fishing stuff, and sa kanilang shelter. Yun. Also, we have Saragnayan. Nabanggit natin, di ba, Saragnayan is the wife of the goddess of the last. Ayan. So, dito naman, he was the god of darkness. As we can see na meron siyang serpent na kasama. Ayan. So, commonly, sometimes, other Visayan deities is more on animism. Kapag sinabi kasi natin animism, they are the one who believes on such entity. Ayan, kunyari, kagaya nan, God of Darkness, ginagawan nila ng story or ginagawan nila ng belief. Ayan, so, good thing, I think, na dumating yung may Spanish people, at least nagkaroon sila ng right method, nagkaroon sila ng system. Ayan, nagkaroon sila ng belief system kung ano ba talaga yung paniniwalaan. Ayan. So, hey, what's up mga kokotes? Megan Kuya Jen. Welcome sa kuwaderknows, and thank you very much for listening, for accompanying us on discussing about the different responsibilities and characteristics of our Visayan deities. And for more deities and characters, kindly stay tuned. Tomorrow, i-release natin yung video for that. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a good day. If you have concerns, inquiries, and suggestions, don't hesitate to comment it on our comment section. Goodbye!